Hi YouTube, it's Shell, your girl, making seafood macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna use scallop and crab meat because I am allergic to shrimp. So if you wanna add shrimp and you wanna add lobster, that's your choice. But these are the ingredients that we have to put into the seafood macaroni and cheese. We have paprika. I have parsley, I have salt, black pepper, I have butter flavored spray for the pans. I'm using Land O'Lakes margarine. You can use butter or whatever of your choice. I have Ritz crackers, sour cream, heavy cream, carnation milk, Velveeta cheese, mild cheddar, triple cheddar, creamy milk. I have Monterey Jack cheese. I have Colby Jack cheese, extra cheddar, Philadelphia cream cheese. We got crab meat, elbow macaroni, and the scallops. And we'll also be using some eggs. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. At the station identification. I have these two dishes here just in case I have more than enough. So I have two pans here for the seafood macaroni and cheese. My water is on the pot boiling. And I'm just gonna add a little salt to the water. That's to flavor the noodles a little bit. I have 2 pounds of macaroni here, but I'm only gonna use a pound. So that's a half a box. I'm gonna let it boil a little bit more. Okay, YouTube, we back, and this bowl I have in here extra sharp cheese, Colby. We have the Monterey Jack. We have 2 sticks of butter. We have the whole pack of 8 ounce, I believe, 8 ounce cream cheese, and I'm gonna add the half a pack of each of these into the bowl. All right, we'll be back shortly. I'm gonna add half a bag of the creamy triple cheddar milk. Save the other half for the topping of the macaroni and cheese. And then we have the mild cheddar. Half a bag of that. And we'll mix it all together. And we'll be with you shortly. Okay, so now we're gonna season our scallops. Just add a little salt to it. We're gonna add some pepper. Oh. Might be a little too much, but
it is not.
That's okay.
Okay.
And paprika. And if you would like to add more seasonings, feel free, but this is what I'm using. Okay? 2-pound box of elbow macaroni. I'm gonna put in a pound of it, so that's a half a box of this. My water has been boiling, so use your judgment. It's about right here. So that's half a box. And we'll let that boil. We'll stir it up a little bit. So I'm gonna just mix up my scallop, the seasonings that's on it. This is my food, so I can use my hands to stir it up. And then we're gonna add this until no cut up or nothing.
It's already done. It's already cut up. What the noise?
I added the crab meat and I'm gonna just mix it in with the scallops. Because the scallops have the seasoning on it, so we'll just mix it all in together. Don't shred your crab meat, just dump it in and mix it all in together. Okay, so my scallops and my crab meat is all seasoned up. I forgot to add my Velveeta cheese in here as well. So your macaroni and cheese should cook at least 12 minutes. All right, we'll be back with you shortly.
Go.
Okay, so now we're doing a dunk session. We have the macaroni and cheese nice and hot. And we're gonna add the stick of butter. I'm gonna have it. Can you stir for me? I might have to find a bigger dish to put that in. I'm gonna crack an egg, 2 eggs.
Wait, I need to help for you.
We're gonna add the sour cream. Usually it's just half of this. So
Go for it. Okay. That's
all of it.
that's all of it. Okay, ain't gonna hurt.
It is what it is. We also have the breadcrumbs here that we're gonna use afterwards. We still have the carnation milk and the heavy whipping cream that we're gonna add to it.
Go for it.
I hear some people smacking and licking their lips. Ain't done yet, but it looks good.
Hold on.
I'm gonna get a second bowl.
This will be good. Oh, because the meat got it on. Come on, just.
Okay, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. And then I have another bowl here where we're gonna dump so we can make that stirring a little easier. Pepper. Look how creamy that is. Ooh, child. Okay. We have the heavy whipping cream that we're going to add. And now we're going to add the crab meat and the scallops. I almost forgot what I was doing, y'all, but it came back to me. And this is raw. It's going to cook in the oven with the macaroni and cheese. You know, it don't take seafood long to cook, so that's why we're adding it like this. Well, I tell you. Looks good, gonna be good. I have an assistant here helping me out. My sister, she showed me how to make this seafood macaroni and cheese. So we're gonna put it here, and I'm going to sprinkle the top with, well, I'm gonna put some parsley on top of here. How about that? Make it look pretty on both. And once it's done, if you want to freeze it and eat it later, you can. But this is what we're doing right now. All right. I'm gonna set my kitchen timer for 30 minutes. I'm gonna check it in 20 minutes. Go back and check it. And I'm gonna put the pan in the oven. Okay, I have it in the oven, and let me just see if I push it in. 400, and we're gonna set the timer for maybe 10 more minutes. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so we have 21, well, it's counting down. And that's a total of 40 minutes that the seafood was in the seafood macaroni and cheese was in the oven. We're gonna take it out, and we're gonna sit it on the counter here.
Cool.
Looks good. Turn the timer off. All right,
Smells
ladies and
good.
gents, that's our seafood macaroni and cheese with the crab and the scallop. So now we have the creamy melt cheese. We have the two that we're going to sprinkle on top. It's really going to be cheesy, y'all. It's really. I'm going to save half of this bag because I have another dish over there that I'm going to need the other part of the cheese for. I'm just going to add both, and then we have butter to add on the top, and we have the Ritz crackers that we're going to put on, and we're just going to let it sit. So we'll sprinkle the Ritz on top, and then we're gonna cut some butter pieces up and put it over the top.
What was here?
So just slice some butter on top of the seafood salad, and because it's still hot, it's just gonna melt right in. And then we'll show you as it settles. We'll come back and show you what's what. All right. Okay, so the seafood macaroni and cheese is done. The butter, we put it back in the oven for a few minutes so it can melt down. And we have a taster here so that you can see what it looks like and what it tastes like. All right, so I'm gonna cut into it. Let's go this way. And it's cheesy.
Wait, let me
It's not too much for you, is it? Okay. You got your plate. Oh boy. All right. Oh, it's hot. We don't want nobody burning no pallets. And don't forget, if it's not enough salt or pepper into it, season it to your taste. All right, ladies and gents. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it. I think I ate a scallop, and I don't even eat scallop.
I don't think you're gonna stop. So, enjoy.